Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to add Hamster Kombat to Tonkeeper. Hamster Kombat doesn't directly integrate into Tonkeeper as a feature, however, you can connect your Tonkeeper wallet to the Hamster Kombat platform to participate in the game and manage your tokens. So here is how you can do it. First of all, make sure you go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and then go to the search box and type in Tonkeeper. Make sure you download this Tonkeeper Ton Wallet application on your device, and after it is completed with the download process, tap on the Open button. Soon after you open up the Tonkeeper wallet on your mobile device, from the first interface, create a new wallet or import an existing one. If you are getting started with Tonkeeper, you can tap on Create New Wallet, create a passcode for your Tonkeeper wallet, re-enter the passcode again, and your wallet will now be ready. After you have your wallet ready and you are in the main wallet interface, go ahead and make sure you back up your Ton wallet. Go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. From the settings menu, select Backup. Click on Backup manually and write down the recovery phrases on a piece of a paper. Make sure you keep your recovery phrases confidential. After backing up your wallet or creating a new wallet for Tonkeeper, go ahead and open up the Telegram application. Access Hamster Kombat bot and open it up. Now, once you open up your Hamster Kombat bot on your device, go ahead and click on the airdrop button at the bottom right hand corner. Click on Connect Your Ton Wallet and click on the Connect Your Ton Wallet button once again. Now select Tonkeeper from the list of applications and click on Yes. If you want to enable notifications, you can select this box over here. If not, leave it unchecked and click on Connect Wallet. Enter your passcode for your Tonkeeper wallet that you previously set up and you will be able to connect Hamster Kombat and your Tonkeeper wallet. So that's how you add Hamster Kombat to Tonkeeper. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.